Good morning, Kevin. My name is Blake Stonewall, and I was taking a look at your website, and I wanted to show you a couple things that I found that I think could help you rank a lot better in Google. So, first off, your website is really clean and nice. It's a very good looking website. So, great job with that. But I was wondering why you're not on page 1, so I took a look, and I used this scanning tool. It tells me about the different types of content that's on your web page. It talks about the title tag, the meta description, and the H1 tag. So for your title tag, you have a title tag. That's good. Normally, you'll put the location and type of work you do before the name of the company, and that will help you rank a little better. Meta description looks pretty good. Now, the H1 tag, it says you don't have one. So your H1 tag is basically what tells Google what your site is about. So without an H1 tag, it's hard for Google to know what to rank you for. So that's something you could change pretty easy, and it will help your rankings right away. And if you need help doing that, I can definitely do that for you. But that is something you can do yourself as well. H2 tag. Not as important as H1, but it does help with other keywords that you want to rank for. We could, customize this to help with specific things that you want people to find you for on Google to, help you bring in more revenue. Now, as far as, doing a search, I wanted to give you a tip on finding out exactly where you rank. A lot of people, they'll open Google and they'll just open a regular Chrome window and then Google their company name. Now the problem with that is Google is smart, and Google knows if you're bringing up your company name a lot, whenever you put in Denton Roofer, it's going to put your name at the top because it knows your tendencies. So what you need to do is open an incognito window, and then Google doesn't do that, and it'll treat your search as if anybody without a history was doing that search. So it'd be a true test of anybody in the Denton area doing a search for Denton Roofer. So I did that, and this is page 2, and you are currently near the top of page 2. Now if you go back to page 1, on page 1, this is where 96% of all the clicks go, is on page 1. They go to the map pack, they go to the ad sites, and they go to the organically ranked sites here below. Now, the vast majority, 87% of all the clicks, go to these organically ranked sites, and that's what my specialty is. And I can help you get ranked here if you're interested in building your business that way. With the map pack, I didn't see you in the map pack when I opened this. I can find you further down. But I see a few things with that I think we could fix pretty quick to get you ranked at the top of the map pack. So whenever people open this and they see companies in here in the map pack, they trust them. And this will get you a lot of clicks and a lot of business too, being in this map pack. And so that's something I could definitely help you with. I think that's about all I have for this. If you have any questions at all, anything I can help you with, just respond to my email. I'll be glad to help. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.